Hello family, my name is Victor and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel seeks to offer simple life hacks that will make your interaction enjoyable in this online space. Today I will show you how to format your student paper correctly in the APA 7th edition. With me, I have a simple quick guide that will be able to help me to cover the crucial areas. Today we'll be covering formatting. Be sure to watch my other videos that will also touch on the mechanics in text citation and the other aspects of APA formatting. So when it comes to formatting, APA calls for papers to be double spaced throughout the entire document with 1 inch margin on all sides. 2. You are supposed to indent the first line of every paragraph, and for consistency it's recommended that you use the tab button. I'll be able to demonstrate this practically after I'm done with these prompts. Then 3, APA recommends using font 12 Times New Romans. The other acceptable fonts include font 11 Calibri, font 11 Arial, 10-point Lucida Sun Unicode, or 11-point Georgia font. Always ensure that you use the same font throughout the entire document, be it on the header. Always ensure that the font that you have used is consistent. Do not mix the fonts. Number 3, student paper should contain a page number in the upper right hand corner of each page. Then running head is not required in this edition of APA. Then the page title should be bold and centered. Then the introduction, there's no need of writing the word introduction in the first paragraph. It's assumed that that first paragraph is the introduction, so there's no need of writing the word introduction. So I have a paper with me here that I am going to use just to illustrate this. Here is the paper. So one of the things that we went through in the prompts was the margin. So to check the margin, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to come to the layout, and under layout we have got the margins. So it talks about having a 1 inch margin, which is currently what we have here. Then it also talks about having a page number on the upper right. So what you are going to do, you are going to come here and a page number, say top of the page, and insert that. So for consistency, I'm going to recommend that we change this to Times New Romans font 12, and let us make it double spaced, and let us just get rid of that space by using the backspace. So there it is. The other thing that has been shared is to ensure that we indent this first line. The easiest way of indenting is selecting the entire write-up. Then on paragraphs you will come and choose first line. When you say okay, that is how it becomes. Secondly, these spaces are not supposed to be there. So to get rid of this space, you're supposed to come under spacing and insert 0 and say okay. That should be fine. Then the other aspect that we covered in those prompts were having the Times New Romans font 12 and double spaced. You can see how the paper looks like. So the other aspect that we are going to cover is the cover page. So the first thing, we are going to have the title of this paper. It's going to go there, the title of this paper. Then we are going to skip 2 spaces and have the student's name going there. Then we are going to have the institutional affiliation, going there. Then we are going to have the course and the course and the unit code going there. Then we're going to have the name of the instructor. Then we're going to have the date that it's due, like that. So this title of the paper has to, we have to have it here. And remember, now this one has to be center aligned, so you click on this aspect. The paper has to be in bold, same to this. The title of the paper has to be in bold. So this has to move to the next page. So what you do, you'll simply bring your cursor here, then go to insert and page break. So you can see the title of the page, the title page is okay. We have got the title, the name of the student, the institution affiliation, the course, the instructor. We have got the numbers. Then you can see it's consistent throughout the paper. So this is basically how you format your paper. Be sure to catch my other video tomorrow, even as I talk about the mechanics of APA 7th edition. Thank you for your time, and if you are returning subscriber, continue sharing, continue looking forward for more videos. And if you are new to this channel, kindly take time, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment and share my content. Thank you.